Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our brand new 2020 Scout 235 XSF. This boat just came into inventory and got it out here right in front of our showroom. So you can see I'm standing by the helm here. You got a Garmin display, you got a tilt steering wheel, got your switching there, nice little glove box, put your glasses, wallet, stuff in there, and you lock it up. Then your Yamaha gauges, some trim tabs, and your fusion remote. Also up here as well, you got a nice place to put your phone and stuff, so you can leave it charging or plugged in listening to the stereo. And a nice Ritchie compass up there. Your helm here, or your cleaning coast here, has these nice flip down bolsters. You got rod holders across the back here, nice stainless steel grab rail. The back of this leaning coast is a nice spot for your tackle storage. Some nice boxes in there. And you got a nice Yeti cooler underneath. You also on this boat have a ski tow bar. You have a 300 Yamaha, and this seat also folds out, so you can sit back here when you're running and then clear it away when you're out there fishing. Now you have a nice fiberglass hardtop up here, all powder coated. PFD storage up top, nice windshield. Now up here in the bow, you do have a nice coffin box seat. Massive amount of storage. You can put whatever you want in here. Fish, ice, dry storage. As well as for the boxes on these forward seating as well. You can see here they drain overboard. So you can use them as fist boxes or just regular storage as well. Got some nice backrests, some more fusion speakers up here. And you have your anchor locker. As well as pull up cleats all around. And you also have rod cup holders here, so you can use them as cup holders when you're out anchored up, hanging out, or you can use them as rod holders when you're out fishing or drifting for fluke or anything like that. So again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this is our 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Give us a call at 609-494-2102 if you want to know about this boat or any other boat we have here on our lot. Thank you.